Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix iCUE crashing. So when this happens, the first thing that you want to do is to actually update your graphics card drivers, because from time to time having an outdated drivers can actually cause applications that's not compatible with the previous versions of your drivers. The second thing that you want to do is to head over to the check for updates option inside Windows and just make sure that your device is updated to the latest version, because once again it can do the same thing, which can crash applications if you're using the previous model that is not compatible with the application. And if it's still crashing, this only means one thing, is that we have installed a bad copy, or there might be bugs, glitches, or missing files within our iCUE software. So let's head over to the add or remove programs. In here, you then want to search for iCUE and just go ahead and uninstall it by clicking on the software, click uninstall, and basically from there we're good to go. Let's just open up iCUE on our browser, and then you want to get a new one from the official website itself, and from there you are good to go. Just make sure that your download isn't corrupted, because that is the #1 reason why our iCUE is crashing. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.